In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do futures trading on Kucoin. This full tutorial is tailored for beginners and will guide you through each step necessary to start your trading journey on the Kucoin platform. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Kucoin's official website. Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of trading options and is known for its user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for both new and seasoned traders alike. Once you're on Kucoin's homepage, the first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one by clicking on the Sign Up option and following the prompts to set up your profile. For those returning, simply enter your credentials and proceed. After logging in, you'll land on your Kucoin account's main page. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu bar and navigate over to the Derivatives section. Derivatives are financial contracts whose value is linked to the price of an underlying asset, such as a cryptocurrency. Clicking on this will lead you to Kucoin's powerful and diverse derivatives marketplace. Next, you need to find and select Futures Overview from the drop-down menu. The Futures Overview section offers a comprehensive glance at all you need to know and track regarding futures trading on Kucoin. This step is crucial as it provides a foundation for making informed decisions and understanding the various contracts available for trading. With the overview understood and digesting this essential information, your next step is to proceed by clicking on Crypto Futures Trading. This will take you to the main interface where all the magic happens. Here you can explore different futures contracts and the current market trends associated with each. This space is designed to provide you with detailed insights and real-time data necessary for executing trades effectively. Remember, futures trading involves speculation on the future price of an asset, and it can be both highly lucrative and risky. It's important to make sure you comprehend the nuances of leverage and margin, as these can significantly amplify both potential gains and losses. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed walkthrough on how to navigate Kucoin's platform for futures trading. Keep in mind, the crypto market is volatile, so always ensure to trade responsibly and stay updated with market news for the best trading strategy. Feel free to pause the video or replay any sections if you need additional clarity. Thank you for watching, and happy trading on Kucoin.